Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today I want to tell you about a few notion of the notion of the minimum salary. First, the minimum salary, which is called the SMIC. SMIC, it's called in French we say salaire minimum interprofessionnel de croissance. It's the minimum salary. The minimum salary is about 9 euro. 9 euro before tax, so it's 9 euro brut, 9 euro brut. So which means after tax it will be maybe 7 euro after tax, which is very low. It's very low. It can vary a little bit depending on the job. Okay, SMIC. What happens is many people in France, they work and they get paid by the hour, so they only work part-time. So let's say they work 10 hours a week, or they work 15 hours a week, and each hour they only get paid 7 euro. That's the minimum salary. The minimum salary is something very complicated, because you will say le SMIC, les SMICards, you will say on one side, you will say, okay, if the minimum salary is too low, people cannot survive. They cannot survive. They cannot pay the cost. They cannot survive in their life. They cannot have a decent life. But if the minimum salary is too high, then what's going to happen is many of these jobs will go for the black market, because the minimum salary is for what? Is for the cleaning lady, the cleaning woman, the people who are cooking, the cook in the restaurant, the people in the restaurant who cleaning the table. These are the little job, the small job. The people who work in the field to pick up the grapes, you know. And you know what happens? Most of these jobs, there is the possibility to hire people and not pay any tax, and that's what they are doing. You know, to pick up the fruit, they will pay some maybe migrants or some poor guy like this. They say, hey, here is 5 euro, or here is 7 euro, and they will pay him like this, you know. So if the minimum salary is too high, they're just going to recruit these guys there are so many illegal people here. There are so many illegal migrants in France who are there. They don't have any ID card. They're just there. They're just looking for a job, you know. So on one side, the company have the choice, and there are not too many control. The government doesn't control all this so much. Why we have so many illegal migrants here? Why? Because they come from Eastern Europe. There's the European Union. They can come from the border. These guys that they know that in their countries they have no hope, the salary, there's no job, or the salary is very low, so they just come here. And they know in France I can sleep outside in the street, the weather is good, the environment is good, it's not polluted, it's okay, it's not so hard as in my country, I don't get beaten by the police, I don't get, you know, and if I stay in France and stay there as an illegal migrant for a few years, maybe I can ask for the ID card, maybe they would give me some nationality, maybe they would give me some social benefits. If I get a kid here, my kid will be French national, and then I can be a French national myself, or get the card, get the visa. So that's what they are doing. And then that's the big issue that you have with the SMIC. There is the competition, always the competition. So the salaire minimum. And it's also the difficulty for the government, because the government, they want to get the tax, they need the money, they want to get the tax, and they know if the salaire minimum, if the minimum salary is too high, then people are going to go black. They will not work legal. They are going just to work illegal. You see, I know many people around me. They will hire a cleaning woman. Then they say, okay, I can recruit the cleaning woman from the company. I will have to pay 9 euro each month, or 9 or 10 euro, because I have to pay the company. Or I can recruit the cleaning woman myself, and I can pay her 8 euro. So it's cheaper. And the cleaning woman, she thinks, I can work for the company, I get the social benefit, I get all the advantage, and I get paid 7 euro. Or I can work directly for this person, for these people, and I get paid 8 euro or 9 euro. Of course, she will work directly for the people and get paid 9 euro. You know, that's how it is. That's how it is. I was working for a cleaning woman company when I first came back to France, and that's what it is. All the workers in the cleaning woman companies, they would only work there for only one reason. Most of them were foreigners. They didn't have any ID cards, so had to work. They had to work. Otherwise, they would have to go back to their country. Most of them came from Africa, some of them from Eastern Europe, some of them from North Africa. And if they don't work, they cannot stay in France. So they have to work as a cleaning woman. Otherwise, they cannot work black. And some of them, they have many children. So they think, okay, if I work, then I can get the social benefit and I can get many things like this. But if I don't work, I will not get this social benefit. So it's very crazy. Huh? It's a big, it's a big calculation, huh, for the people. So we say the people who get the minimum salary, we say les smicards, le SMIC, les smicards. Okay, most of them, of course, they are women. They are women. Most of them are women. Maybe because they are less qualified, or the life is more difficult. They have the kids also. Huh? It's more difficult when you raise the kid. It's not easy. Huh? You cannot. You will be stopped in your job, in your life. Huh? Bon, okay. Let me leave you for now. It's a choice of life. Let me leave you for now. À bientôt, les amis. À bientôt. Take care.